Okay, so my order finally came from Amazon of the Cloner Alliance Cloner Box Evolve, and this is the way it came to me. Not in a box, it just showed up at my door thanks to Pure Later, and it just was shoved by my door, and anyone could have probably stolen it. So I was not very happy of the way it was delivered from Amazon, because usually everything is in a cardboard box, or at least a bubble mailer, but for some reason this wasn't, or unless it was tampered with in the process along the way, because it did take 5 days longer than it was promised. So that's bad Prime service. But we are here to discuss the unboxing of this Cloner box. So without further ado, I've already peeled the two sticky pieces here holding this in. I want to keep the Prime tape on that side intact, just in case there's an issue with it, because I did contact Amazon about the way that they ship this. So inside we have, well, the nice instructions. Shows you how to hook it up. Very simple. And another little thing, I guess, if you need help. And we have the AV cable, audio video cable, that's the RCA jacks to the 1/8 inch jack for the video and left and right audio, so you can hook up either older game machines or VCR or something like that, camcorder. And this is the power supply for the Cloner box, and also the remote for the Cloner box. And here we have the Cloner box. Pretty neat. 2 inputs, the third input being the AV input for that 1/4 inch. We have the out and the mini USB to PC, and that's where the power goes right there, 5 volt 2 amp. It requires that. Now over on this side we have 2 card slots, TF card, which is the micro SD card, and here we can put USB stick in, so we can put a flash drive there to record, like what they've done here on the little micro SD card slot. They've indented that a little bit, so you're not trying to find a fingernail to push it out, or a screwdriver or a credit card or something to get that in there, to pop that card back out. That's right there. They have a nice little beveled edge on the button here on the edge, and here they have the IR infrared for the remote. So this right here, I guess you got to scan it with your number and you can download some software. Over here there is the earphone jack and the microphone jack. So that's pretty neat. So it's very, very lightweight, very impressive. Now here is the micro USB cord, and goes to the regular USB for the computer. And we have an HDMI cable that they supply along with it as well. So that would be from the output to the TV, or wherever you want to output it to, because you're going to have basically your game or whatever device that you're going to record or stream or whatever in one of these inputs, so it's no longer going to your main TV. So you got to have an out to see what it is, so that will be going out to your main TV, which is, this is what that's for. So that's about it for the unboxing. Not too much more, and we'll get that hooked up, and once we get it hooked up, we'll test it out, and we shall do some further videoing of that. But up to this time, this is the unboxing of the Cloner Box Evolve from Cloner Alliance.